is Sheila and welcome to my channel. On my channel I do unboxings of all sorts, so if you like unboxing videos, definitely hit on that subscribe button down below. I would love to have you join me, and of course to all my regular subscribers, welcome back. Now for today's video I have my Posh earring subscription, and I'm going to go ahead and open it and share it with you guys. But basically it is an earring subscription that you get sent to your house every month. I believe it's $15.50 a month, and that includes shipping. I will leave all the information in the description box down below in case you're interested in signing up for this. But I went ahead, this is probably going to be my last bag. I went ahead and canceled it because I have to be careful with my money. And right now I love Mint Mongoose and I love Ear Fleek. So between those two subscriptions, that's $20 a month for all my jewelry pieces that I get sent. So I think I'm going to stick with those two for right now. But I did have fun trying this one. It's not bad. I just, personally for me, I like Mint Mongoose a little bit better. And with Mint Mongoose, you also get necklaces and earrings, where with this, you only get the earrings. So let's go ahead. I'm going to open it and show it to you guys what I received this month, and you guys can tell me what you think of the items that I got. Now, while I'm opening this, I wanted to share with you guys something I found at the Dollar Tree recently when I was just in there, and that is this little necklace. Now, I was not even looking for this. It was hanging on one of the end caps, like just on one of those sleeves where it's hanging by the eyeglasses. And this is not just a necklace. This is an eyeglass holder. Now let me stand up and see if you guys can see that. And I have been using this for 2 days now, and I have been in the kitchen. I've been getting into baking lately. It's kind of my new little hobby. But anyway, I have been using this to hold my eyeglasses, and it really works. It is not falling off. I thought at first, I'm like, oh, it's just gonna fall off, but it really does stay on there. So for $1, I thought I'd share that little find with you. So I like it. And they had a bunch of different designs too. So I'm gonna go back and look for some more because I like it. I don't want the ones where the cords are hanging, you know, the old-fashioned one. It reminds me of my grandma. So for that reason, I don't want him. But I have to tell you, it is like, I walk around half the time going, where are my eyeglasses? And so this is really convenient. So I'm gonna go back and look for some more. Okay, so let's look in and see what we got. Now I got no earrings on today. So it looks like I got 4 pair of earrings. I couldn't even remember. So I'm gonna hold up the first pair, and wow, these are some big earrings. Life with Lois would like these earrings. Let me just go ahead and put them in so you guys can see. Oh yeah, these are some statement pieces, and they're very light. Oh, I give them 2 thumbs up for that. These are super light, like, wow, like tinfoil light, like super light but super big, and can give you a big impact. They look kind of like a cross too. Do you guys see that? I like these. Now they're gonna try to make me regret canceling, aren't they? Okay, well here's the other 2 pieces, and these are your basic earrings. It looks like a just a round little hoops, and it looks like gold little heart studs. So I'll go ahead and put the little gold heart studs in. Here's what they look like up close. So let me go ahead on my second hole and put the heart earrings in. You guys let me know if you have seen these before, and if this is a new invention or if this has been around and has just escaped my attention. I'm just kind of curious because I'm kind of really liking this. Okay, so I have the heart earrings in. You're just your basic heart earrings, and these big, I'm gonna call them cross earrings, but very lightweight, very nice. And then I'm not gonna bother with the hoops. You know what those look like. And then they have a little black package, and this is the 4th pair of earrings. I don't know what's in here, so let's go ahead and open it. just get right into it. Oh, they are gonna try to make me regret canceling it. Oh my goodness, look at those earrings. Oh, my first instinct is they look kind of like a butterfly. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna call them. I'm gonna call these, almost look like a cross, and these almost look like a butterfly. So let me go ahead and put these in, and let me take these big cross ones out. Oh, these are pretty nice. This is a pretty nice box. Here's another neat thing. Look at this. Okay, I went and I took the back off, and if you see, you can just wear it like that, and then if you want with the butterfly, what I'm going to call the butterfly body, you just put it right through there. So it's like 2 earrings in one, but we're going to wear it as the butterfly earring. Okay, there's the butterfly earring, and you know what, just for fun, I'm going to not put the butterfly earring in. I'm just going to put the little stud part in this side. Well, there you go. Oh, I like these earrings. They really hit me. They really got me good this month. Oh, look at these. I am a fan. Okay, I have to stick to a budget though. But I'm saying, if you like all earrings and you don't want, like, I like Mint Mongoose because you get a mix of earrings and necklaces. But if you are looking for a 4 pair of earrings, this might work for you guys. Like I said, I will leave all the information in the description box down below. But I am very happy with the earring selection I got this month. Okay, well guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you have a nice week, and let me know if any of you have tried this before, and what do you think if you have. And I will see you on my next video. Bye-bye.